Hi there. I'm really annoyed with the digestives cookies base for cheesecake. I actually decided to do mine one, which is super ultra healthy. And let me talk to you what what was used there. So we need like 100 grams of cooked quinoa, 200 grams of walnuts, around 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and like 6 7 dates. There could be also added one egg. However, I prepared the vegan option, so this is flaxseed. I grate it freshly, and basically you take one spoon of the flaxseed and 3 spoons of water and let it sit for a few minutes, and then you basically put all those lovely ingredients into the food processor or NutriBullet and grind it, and that's what it becomes, like a nice lovely base. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna put it in the oven, 170 degrees, and this is gonna bake there for 20 minutes. Super healthy, super nice. Try it yourself.